Zion brother, give me spliff. City lights blind the eyes, but behind them glow is where truth lies. Them build illusion tall and grand, yet me spirit can't be planned. Me see them towers of control. Every contract try sell me soul, but me walk with Jah by me side. Me not take no ride in a Babylon tide. Them say freedom, but it's fake, wrapped up in loans and give and take. Me say you can't chain what's born for free. Nah lock the lion inside of me. Them spin the lies like webs so tight, but truth blaze in a darkest night. Me nah fall for shiny cloak. Me burn them chains of smoke. Chains of smoke can't hold we down. Jah light still wear the crown. Babylon crumble brick by brick. We rise up strong, now fall for trick. Chains of smoke try suffocate, but love and roots elevate. We spirit break the grip and choke. We burn them chains of smoke. Politician talking circle wide, but real power grow from inside. Me say every youth hold the flame. Remember your worth, remember your name. We not born fi serve them plan. We free, me sister, me brother, me man. From Africa to island shore, the heart beats strong forevermore. System push with iron hand, but we hold ground like desert sand. Even when pressure pile up high, we keep chanting to the sky. Me feel Jah breeze on me face, remind me of me rightful place. Not get lost in maze and smoke. Me spirit clear, me vision woke. Chains of smoke can't hold we down. Jah light still wear the crown. Babylon crumble brick by brick. We rise up strong, now fall for trick. Chains of smoke try suffocate, but love and roots elevate. We spirit break the grip and choke. We burn them chains of smoke. Every verse a hammer blow, fi mash down lies them try fi grow. We not bend fi glitter dream. Jah truth stronger than machine. So light your fire, raise your voice. For freedom always be with choice. Together we break the heavy yoke. Together we burn chains of smoke. Stand tall, not ever shake. Them can't take what Jah create. Chains of smoke, me laugh and joke, cause we too strong for them cloak. Aye, aye, aye. Kingston. Now me pocket. Them build a wall high, steel and stone, but me know them foundation overblown. Them say stay in line, obey the call, but every empire one day fall. Me walk through the system maze, but me eyes sharp, me soul blaze. Them hide truth behind the skies, but Jah light shine, expose the lies. Can't lock up what born fi roam. Me spirit deeper than them throne. Me Me chant for justice, me chant for peace, until Babylon grip release. Them think power lasts forever, but roots stronger than them lever. Every time them wall get tall, me know Jah bring the mighty fall. Iron wall, you can't stand long. Jah hammer beat, me sing the song. Babylon crumble brick by brick. We rise up strong, we move quick. Iron wall soon tumble down. Jah wear forever crown. Them build high but just stand higher. Babylon burning righteous fire. Me see the chains, me see the fear, but me not let that control me here. Me say freedom, me say light. Me not bow down in a the fight. From the street to mountain peak, truth rise up when we speak. Them try silence, them try crush, but Jah fire nah ever hush. Them flood the ear with toxic sound, but reggae keep the people bound. Every rhythm, every bass, a bullet in the wicked face. Iron wall look strong today, but crumble soon. Me hear Jah say, trust in roots, trust in plan. Freedom live in every man. Iron wall, you can't stand long. Jah hammer beat, me sing the song. Babylon crumble brick by brick. We rise up strong, we move quick. Iron wall soon tumble down. Jah wear forever crown. Them build high but just stand higher. Babylon burning righteous fire. Generations rise, generations know. Truth deeper than what them show. We not take no plastic dream. We live for love, we live for redeem. Me say step by step, we march along. The battle fierce, but we heart strong. Babylon tremble when we unite. Truth and love are the purest fight. So when you see that iron wall, know for sure it can't stall. Jah beat steady, roots grow tall. Babylon, soon you fall. One love, iron wall fall. Zion roots, The night can't last, the sun have to shine. Jah whisper, your time for climb. The wicked a scheme, but them can't rewind. Truth a the light, the spirit divine. Me trod through fire, me trod through storm. Them try to break me, but my spirit warm. Me hold Jah hand, me can't conform. Me chant them down, me break them norm. Them build them kingdom pan tricks and lies. Steal from the poor while the innocent cries. But judgment come, can't wear disguise. Jah watch them move, Jah see them eyes. Me step on the battlefield, sword in hand. Words are my weapon, me overstand. The weak shall rise, the strong shall stand. Jah are the ruler, can't change the plan. From Ethiopia to the western land, me see the prophecy take full command. The rivers run deep, the mountains grand. Jah truth a flow like grains of sand. Them try to silence the voice of we, but reggae play like waves pan sea. The righteous chant, the captives free. Jah Kingdom rise eternally. Jah Kingdom rise, Babylon fall. The trumpet sound, me hear the call. The warriors strong, we stand up tall. No more chains, no more wall. Jah Kingdom come, we sing and praise. Light shine bright through the darkest days. reveal. Them try fi hide but the wounds can't heal. Them thief the land, them sign the deal. But nature rise, the air it appeal. Me chant him loud, me chant it clear. The revolution, it start right here. The trumpets blow, the judgment near. Jah children rise, can't show no fear. Me hold the banner, me lift it high. Selassie I rule from the golden sky. The wicked bow, can't justify. Them can't stop the warriors cry. The storm can't last, the rain soon done. The people rise, the victory won. The chains them break, the wicked run. The righteous sing, Jah Kingdom come. So me tell the youth, hold on strong. The road get rough but the journey long. The struggle real, the fight prolong. But righteousness always belong. My call for justice, my call for peace. No more violence. Yeah, Zion roots. We see them a plan, we see them a scheme. Them sell the people a little fake dream. The ghetto youths cry, but them not get seen. The leaders cold, them hearts so mean. Me see them smile, but me know them fake. Them shake your hand, while them mine I take. But me stay firm, me can't mistake. The judgment come, them can't escape. Me walk through fire, me walk through pain. Me feel the struggles, me feel the strain. But me hold strong, me chant me name. Jah Jah bless me, me break the chain. Yeah, Zion roots. Them promise change, but the cycle spin. From one to the next, the same within. But we rise up strong, we never give in. The fight just start, RASTA win. The ghetto rough, but the heart still pure. Them want me suffer, but me can't endure. Me burn them lies, me find the cure. The youth them rise, my spirit sure. Them send police, fi hold we back. Them lock the gates, them plan attack. But me know Jah, me can't turn back. Me burn the fire, me burn it hot. Chant down corruption, burn it to the ground. No more oppression, we turn it all around. Jah light guide we, the truth it sound. The system shake, it can't be found. Chant down the wicked, chant down the lies. Jah warriors firm, we rise to the skies. No more disguise, we see through them eyes. The righteous strong, the ghetto wise. Me see the mother a cry, me see the father in pain. The system cold, them a drive we insane. Them sell out the youth, them play dirty game. But righteousness rise, we call Jah name. We tired of suffer, we tired of fight. Them hold we down, but me know the light. Them can't stop Jah, the future bright. The people rise up, we chant tonight. Them want fi control, them want me obey. But me nah bow, me nah betray. Me hold me ground, me walk me way. The righteous strong, we can't go stray. No more sufferation, no more pain. Jah light shine like the purest rain. The righteous rule, the wicked drain. The people free, my heart sustain. The leaders rich, the people poor. Them take we sweat, but we want more. We work so hard, we build the floor. But them can't stop we, me know for sure. Me chant me psalms, me burn them plans. Yo, me wake up in the morning, sun a shine bright. Jah bless me life, keep me soul feeling right. Step out on the street, hear the rhythm in a ear. Me not fear, cause the most high always they near. Give me the fire, make it blaze up high. Chalice in a hand, let the smoke touch sky. Meditation deep, me I reach new high. Jah Jah guide me, me not live no lie. Smoke the herb, feel the vibe, let the music take you high. One love, one life. on the light. Rise up, stand tall, blessings fall all night. Babylon a come, but me nah go run. Stand firm like a lion, me nah bow to none. Them try feel lock we down, but me spirit too strong. Chant a psalms, make them know say Jah dey on me tongue. Give me the fire, make it blaze up high. Chalice in a hand, let the smoke touch sky. Meditation deep, me I reach new high. Jah guide me, me nah live no lie. Smoke the herb, feel the vibe, let the music take you high. One love, one life, reggae keep we soul alive. No bad mind, no fight, we just living on the light. Rise up, stand tall, blessings fall all night. Rasta man chant on the rhythm, feel it deep. Roots and culture, this your vibe, can't sleep. Me nah take no poison, me nah sip no lean. Natural meditation, the highest me seen. Me burn the stress, me burn the pain. Me only keep the love in a me brain. Me nah war, me nah fight for no fame. Real reggae warrior, me stay in a million. Jah bless we all, make the music shine. Reggae pan top, still they on the front line. One heart, one soul, one life, one time. Keep it real, keep it blessed, make the love align. Zaya Ako, Zaya. Feel the vibe, let the music take you high. Zaya Ako, Zaya. Reggae keep we soul alive. Zaya Ako, Zaya. Feel the vibe, let the music take you high. Zaya Ako, Zaya. Reggae keep we soul alive. Zaya Ako, Zaya. Feel the vibe, let the music take you high. Zaya Ako, Zaya. Reggae keep we soul alive. Zaya Ako, whoa, 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 whoa. Yeah, yeah. Me said the world in trouble, the system corrupt. Babylon a mash it up, the people fed up. Them take the riches and leave with the crumbs. But reggae music rise, Jah Kingdom come. We fight for justice, chant for the youth. The elders said truth is the ultimate fruit. We not bow to no system, we treat we brute. Rasta vibes strong like the lion root. The rhythm a flow, it carry Jah call. We chant down the walls till Babylon fall. From the ghetto streets to the palace hall, we rise up the banner, redemption for all. Reggae redemption, we chant it loud. The fire ablaze, we lift the crowd. Babylon crumble, Jah spirit proud. One love eternal, it can't be bowed. Them while we silent, but we rise like flame. Reggae bring the message, we call Jah name. The oppressors tremble, them hide in shame. But Rasta carry love, we no play them game. The rhythm beat strong, like heart to drum. The voice of the ghetto, we no keep it numb. We burn out the lies where the wicked man hum. Redemption a come, make the kingdom run. For the youth where you suffer, we fight for them. Jah bless with steps, we not pretend. The light of Zion, we represent. From the start of the journey till the very end. Reggae redemption, we chant it loud. The fire ablaze, we lift the crowd. Babylon crumble, Jah spirit proud. One love eternal, it can be bold. Yeah man, reggae are the voice of the land. We hold Jah truth like the farmer and from the hills to the sea, we make them understand. Redemption a come, it's Jah plan. Yeah, yeah, oh, oh. Yeah, yeah. Me walk through the valley, the shadow of pain. Jah light guide me steps through the storm and rain. Me say me heart firm, me spirit remain. The journey long, but we no complain. The wicked them lurk, but me nah go stray.
The fire of Jah make me pave me way. The ghetto full of trials, but Jah love stay. With Chant Selassie I make the world obey. For every tear we drop, Jah give with joy. The system try to break we, but Jah destroy. We hold firm to Jah love, it can deploy. Rasta never lose, we no fall fi ploy.
Ay, ganja deep inna this fedka. Yeah man, me step on soil where ancestors bleed. Them spirit guide me every deed. Roots deep, me can't forget. Babylon tremble when we reset. Them a build up the tower high, but roots crack, concrete touch the sky. Them say control is all them know, but nature teach we how we grow. Them a sell illusion, sell fake gold, but me say wisdom nah get old. Me link with earth, me link with star. Babylon can't define who me are. Roots rebellion, rise again. Breaking chain with heart and pen. We nah bow, we nah bend. Jah warriors to the end. Roots rebellion, shake the ground. Every heartbeat, every sound. We nah lose, we nah fade. Freedom anthem forever played. The youth them wise, the youth them bold. Can't fool them with lie them told. Every system soon collapse, like sand slipping through them grasp. The mountain watch, the river run. Truth shine bright like morning sun. Them a spy, them a scheme, but we live up the highest dream. Them say be quiet, stay small, but me voice echo through them wall. We not ask permission, fee be free. We claim the birthright destiny. From Africa, straight to yard. We connect like lion guard. Roots rebellion, sound the call. Stand firm, now fear the fall. Roots rebellion, rise again. Breaking chain with heart and pen. We nah bow, we nah bend. Jah warriors to the end. Roots rebellion, shake the ground. Every heartbeat, every sound. We nah lose, we nah fade. Freedom anthem forever played. Me chant for the mother, me chant for the child. For all who Babylon make wild. Me chant for the healer, for the poor, for the ones knocking on freedom door. Every drum beat, a signal clear. The system day of reckoning near. Hold tight to the roots, me friend. Rebellion righteous till the end. So rise up now, hear the call. Roots rebellion for one and all. The chains break, the spirit fly. We free under Jah sky. Wait, Wadrook rebellion, Aliviada. Me rise up in the world of screen and wire, where the youth them trapped in digital fire. Eyes locked and feed, mind lost in scroll. Them sell we soul, feel likes and control. Echoes of Zion get drowned by alerts. Every ping a chain, every buzz a curse. The elders warn, but we never did hear. Now Wi-Fi signal louder than prayer. Me said the system craft, the chains unseen. Wrapped in glass, sold as dream machine. But me nah bow down to the click and trend. Me rather reason with roots and a true brethren. Welcome to digital Babylon, where freedom is an illusion gone. Them control what you see, what you feel. Feeding you lies dressed up in a real. But me spirit can be programmed, no chip can own. Me chant
was face to face. Now me brother message me from the same place. Virtual love but empty vibe. Them swipe left, life can't feel the tribe. The youth them fed a digital diet, full of vanity and silent riot. Me say, who build this matrix, who write the code? Them same ones sell the poison in the mode. Me nah in a filter, me nah in a fame. Me speak raw truth, me nah play the game. While them chase clout, me plant the seed. Me water it daily with spiritual need. Me see the towers like modern steeples, preaching lies to the mindless peoples. Them apps a mask, them likes a drug, but Jah wisdom deeper than server plug. Me cut off data, me reconnect soul. Me reason with stars, me walk Jah goal. Me chant in silence, me find me path, while them lost in algorithm wrath. Welcome to digital Babylon, where freedom is an illusion gone. Them control what you see, what you feel, feeding you lies dressed up in a reel. But me spirit can be programmed, no chip can own. Me chant with drum and heart alone. Zion call me far from this land. Me delete them lies with Jah hand. Me children born into touchscreen life. Them never know hurt, them never know strife. Me say take them outside, let them feel a breeze. Let them hear how the mango tree teach with ease. Tell them stories of the drum and fire, not Netflix dreams or...
You know, them world full of illusion. Them try cover truth with smoke, but me eyes still blaze with Jah fire. Me see clear through the fog. But born in a city where false lights blind. Them neon glow, but truth hard fi find. Me walk street where soul gets soul. Contracts inked in silver and gold. Them give man screen, but take him dream. Push fake love through digital scheme. But inna the mist, me vision stay clean. Me chant with roots, me rise with green. Them set stage fi puppet and mask, but me nah play, me choose me task. Me carry the torch from ancient slang. Me voice a river, me words a song. Veil of smoke can't hide Jah light. Me eyes of fire see through the night. Them build illusions, me chant them down. Inna this Babylon, me wear no crown. Me no need title, me no need fame. Me only walk in Jah true name. Veil of smoke can't stay for long. When truth rise up like Nyaya Bingi song. Them fill youth head with fear and lie. Tell them truth a myth, tell them no try. But me say youth, you are the key. Unlock your mind, step out and be free. Me feel spirit of Garvey near. Him whisper, warrior, conquer fear. So me sing even if them vex. Me words still break them Babylon X. Them put camera on every lane. Fi track me soul, fi watch me brain. But me chant through wire and screen. Me roots dig deep, me still stay clean. Fire blaze inna me eye, even when the smoke reach sky. Me nah bow, me nah compromise. Me know the truth, me recognize. Me ancestors walk beside me step. Them guide me rhythm, them guide me rep. Me nah forget where me spirit grow. Me chant till Babylon overflow. Veil of smoke can't block me flame. Me eyes of fire burn them shame. Me no blind, me see them game. Me call them system out by name. Every tower, every fake empire fall down before Jah fire. Veil of smoke, me see right through
to the real, the pure, the righteous crew. So blow your smoke, build your wall. Me chant pan mountain, me nah fall. Eyes of fire, heart of gold. Truth a weapon, me forever hold. Me nah sleep in a system bed. Me rise with Zion echoes, me walk through bush where spirits dwell, where fire blaze and stories tell. Me nah need road or Babylon sign. Me find I way with Jah design. Me wear me scars like ancient ink, each one a tale pon which me think. Them say me mad, them say me wild, but I and I, a Zion child. Me nah eat from system bowl. Me feed me heart, me feed me soul. Them poison thought, them trick the youth. Me offer roots, an ancient truth. Me hear the hills that chant me name. Me hear the stars play righteous game. Me sit with moon, me laugh with tree. The whole creation reason with me. On the path of I, no fear can stay. Me rise each night, me rise each day. Them build wall, but me walk through with spirit strong and purpose true. On the path of I, me nah retreat. Me walk with thunder in me feet. No chain can bind, no tongue can lie. Me step forever on path of I. Me nah sell soul for brief acclaim. Me nah play pawn in Babylon game. Me burn illusion, me clear the smoke. Me chant in silence, me spirit spoke. Me look in eye of suffering youth. Them cry for love, them cry for truth. So me sing for them, me drum the fight. Me bring the dark into Jah light. Me see the system dressed in gold, but deep within it dead and cold. Them talk of freedom, sell it twice. Me bring redemption without price. Me hold me roots like holy flame. Me call ancestors by them name. Them walk with I through every trial. Me carry blood of the tribal Nile. On the path of I, no fear can stay. Me rise each night, me rise each day. Them build wall, but me walk through with spirit strong and purpose true. On the path of I, me nah retreat. Me walk with thunder in me feet. No chain can bind, no tongue can lie. Me step forever on path of I. Me write me psalms in red and green. Me wear crown that I. Zion echoes. Them build wall round the poor man's dream. Steel and stone, but me soul still beam. Them tighten grip with rule and law, but Jah creation can't be flaw. Me barefoot step on concrete pain. Still me find hope in falling rain. Me nah bow down to no gold chain. Me roots deep like sugar cane. Them try to dim the inner spark, but me light up dark like fire mark. Me nah sleep walk in a Babylon lie. Me open third eye, me spirit high. Iron fence can hold golden heart. Me love run wild, me true to art. Them walls so high, but me reach the star. Me chant from near, me chant from far. Me nah fear gun, me nah fear chart. Me carry Zion in every part. Them build wall, but them can't start. Feel lock down truth or play Jah part. Them flash screen, them program Jah name. Me chanting street, me chanting bush. Me rise above the Babylon push. Me hear me elders in a me soul. Them tell me son, just play your role. Me eat from earth, me live off light. Me heart beats strong through every fight. Them poison food, them poison air, but just still guide me everywhere. Iron fence can hold golden heart. Love a the fire, truth or the spark. Me nah fear no shadow dark. Me carry Zion in me ark. Me nah move fast fit plastic wind. Me build me home from deep within. Iron fence can't stop golden tide. Me ride with love, me soul, me guide. Rise up people of the sun. Them try divide but we are one. No wire tall enough to bind. A heart of gold them can't confine. Me sight this system full of trick. Me chant me truth, me chant it thick. Me not conform to them design. Me hold firm, me redefine. So tell Babylon build what you will. Me still have to chant, me still have to fill the world with hope, with fire and art. Cause iron fence can't stop golden heart. Jah path, we no follow no wrong. Babylon system can't last too long. We chant the truth, make the wicked man gone. From the ghetto youth where they pan the grind, to the farmer man where I plant the vine. We chant Jah praises, we not resign. Selassie a light, make the whole world shine. Them cut the trees but we grow them back. We keep the roots firm, Jah love intact. The system crack, them under attack. Rasta vibration, we no lack. Roots for me life, the fire ignite. We chant the psalms, the vibes feel right. Jah love everlasting, it shines so bright. Rasta stand tall from morning to night. Silence the voice we're strong, but we chant Jah truth with reggae song. Them can't distract, them can't prolong. We burn out the evil way I gone so long. The roots are the strength we keep we firm. Babylon burn, the wicked can't learn. We plant the seeds, watch the blessings return. The fire of Jah make the whole place turn. We chant for the youth, we lost and stray. Bring them home to Jah way. The roots of Zion will never decay. Me Selassie a name we hail every day. Roots for me life, the fire ignite. We chant the psalms, the vibes feel right. Jah love everlasting, it shines so bright. Rasta stand tall from morning to night. Vibes to the rivers flow. Jah guide the steps wherever we go. Roots for me life, it forever show. I am a go.
Yo, Kingston hashing at the paper. This your voice is not silent no more. From every corner, through every door, we chant for the people, them system oppress. Now we rise in full finesse. Them say, stay quiet, play it safe. But me heart beat like lion brave. Me born in a struggle, me nah retreat. Truth blaze hot on every street. The leaguers, them a puppet show. Talk big while the pain still grow. But the people are wake up now. Wisdom bloom like sacred vow. Me say Babylon full of fake, but roots deeper than earth shake. For every lie them fabricate, Jah light come illuminate. This your message straight and raw. Freedom deeper than any law. Me say open your eyes and see. Revolution starting a we. Roots and resistance hear the cry. We nah bow, we reach the sky. From the dust we rise again. Voice of the people break the chain. Roots and resistance feel the fire. One love, one heart, one desire. We not stop till justice reign. The system crumble in a pain. The monitor on every move we make. Control your life, control your fate. But me say break free from the cage. Write your own destiny page. The youth them restless, eyes full of spark. Them not blind, them see the dark. But hope still bright like morning sun. Unity make the battle won. Me hear whispers in the wind. Ancient truths from deep within. Sacred drum still a beat, calling warriors back to the street. No retreat, no surrender. We the true defenders. Me say build back Babylon wall. We knock it down once and for all. From the ghetto to the hillside, one vibration worldwide. Together we strong like lion roar. Them can't hold we down no more. Roots and resistance hear the cry. We not bow, we reach the sky. From the dust we rise again. Voice of the people break the chain. Roots and resistance feel the fire. One love, one heart, one desire. We not stop till justice reign. The system crumble in a pain. This your anthem for the lost and found. For every soul who stand them ground. We not fi rich, we not fi fame. We chant truth in Jah name. Me say keep your mind sharp like blade. Babylon tricks soon fade. Roots run deep under feet. Foundation solid, mission complete. Me say celebrate the victory small. Every rise, every fall. The road long but we trot same way. Jah light guide we every day. So when the battle get rough, remember you always enough. Roots and resistance sound the call. One love rise above it all. Feet stand firm.
Zion echoes. Yeah. Me sit on rock where silence grow. Underneath moonlight soft and low. Me close me eyes, me hear it clear. Jah whisper truth for those who hear. The night so still but me heart beat wild. Like lion roaring soul of child. Me nah run from the war inside. but me find peace in roots divine. Me na born fi slave, me born fi spark. Me voice a touch in Babylon dark. Me chant with wind, me drum with tree. Me rebel spirit set me free. Roots beneath the silence grow. Deep in places them never know. Them try fi cut but can't erase. What Jah plant them can't replace. Roots beneath the silence speak to every soul we feel unique. In stillness we find our defiance. Power rise from roots and silence. Me see them chase the shallow flash. Them buy illusion with digital cash. But me take me time, me learn the way. Like elders who now waste them day. Me walk with foot firm pon the land. Me take no order from greedy hand. Me write me life in chant and psalms. Me carry thunder wrapped in calm. Me rise before the city wake. Me heart wide like Blue Mountain Lake. Me light a fire with ancient word. Fi wake the flock like Zion bird. Me nah bow down feel like our views. Me build bridges with righteous news. Me nah take script from system man. Me follow rhythm of Jah plan. Roots beneath the silence grow. Deep in places them never know. Them try fi cut but can't erase. What Jah plant them can't replace. Roots beneath the silence speak to every soul we feel unique. In stillness we find our defiance. Power rise from roots and silence. Me talk to moon, she talk to sea. Me soul align with prophecy. Each breath a revolution start. Each beat reveal the rebel heart. Them think we soft cause we stay calm. But roots break concrete with sacred balm. Me not in a rush, me walk with grace. Me truth unfold in Jah. Me say lion and soldier, we strong like steel. The fire of Zion make the wicked man kneel. The battlefield rough but me not conceal. Jah love we carry, make the whole world heal. The mission heavy but me no back down. The strength of Selassie I me carry the crown. The wicked them crumble, them kingdom drown. We chant Jah praises, the blessings surround. From the sunrise heights to the evening glow. The love of Jah make the spirit grow. The lion heart soldier we dey on the go. Rasta vibration make the evil low. Lion heart soldier we march for Jah. The fire of truth burn the wicked afar. We chant the psalms, we know who we are. The blessings flow like a shining star. Me say Babylon traps can't hold me stride. Jah give me the courage to stand and fight. The darkness flee when Jah light collide. The righteous soldier make the wrong get right. The banner of Zion we carry it high. Selassie name we hail till the day we die. Me say the truth rise up like the morning sky. Lion heart soldier can't deny. The people a chant, the vibes get strong. We burn the evil we linger too long. The fire ablaze, we sing Jah song. The lion heart beat make the whole world belong. Lion heart soldier we march for Jah. The fire of truth burn the wicked afar. We chant the psalms, we know who we are. The blessings flow like a shining star. Miss a soldier for life, we can't retreat. The battle is just the mission complete. From the roots of Zion to the city street. Lion heart soldier, Jah love sweet. don't stop road, marching through the night, holding on to Jah, girding up the vibes. Them try to break we, but we still stand tall. The system corrupt, but them bound to fall. From the hills to the sea, me hear Jah call. The righteous rise up, we answer all. Beside them trickery, me know them plan. Them use the media fi fool the man. But me chant me psalms, me hold me stand. No weapon formed against Rasta can. Ghetto youth wise, we know the deal. Them sign the contract, but them heart not real. Them tell we lie, them try to steal. But Jah and me shield, me soul them can't feel. Me walk through the fire, me walk through the storm. The righteous still stand, me heart stay warm. Them build them tower, but it can't transform. The judgment come, me see them alarm. Me rise with Jah, me hold me faith. No sell me soul, me nah go break. Me chant down Babylon, me lock the gate. The wicked them shake, them know them late. The truth arise, the youth them know. Them teach we wrong, but we start to grow. Me plant me seed, me reap me row. Jah light a shine, me spirit glow. We are righteous warriors, marching through the night, holding on to Jah, we burning up the fight. No more oppression, we stepping in the light. The fire blaze high, Babylon can't sight. Righteous warriors, standing firm and strong, chanting down corruption all the night long. Jah light shine when the road feel wrong. The people rise up, we chant this song. Me see the ghetto youth a suffer, still them smile. The struggle real, but Jah bless them child. Me trod pon the road, me walk for mile. The righteous part it well versatile. Me see the leaders, them hearts so cold. Them sell we future, them sell we gold. Them preach for peace, but them soul, them soul. Me chant down wicked, the truth unfold. We nah go bow, we nah retreat. We march with love, we keep the beat. The revolution strong, it can't get delete. The fire blaze high, it burn the street. Me see the sunrise, me hear Jah voice. The people unite, we make the choice. The trumpet sound, the world rejoice. Babylon shake, them lose them poise. No more chains, no more fears. No more blood, no more tears. The righteous rise, the wicked hears. Jah kingdom come, the vision clears. Me chant it loud, me chant it high. The revolution can't deny. The system we Zion roots, Zion roots, Zion roots. Them build up them towers so high, try to touch the sky, but them live one lie. The wicked rule, but the time run dry. Just soldiers march, can't stop, we try. Me see them on the TV screen, preaching wealth while the ghetto lean. False promises, them heart unclean, but the fire blaze, the truth intervene. Them send police for silence with vice. Them want control, them make the choice. But me can't bow, me still rejoice. Jah Jah guide me, me chant me nice. Them tax the poor, them feed the beast. Them live in a mansion while we can't feast. Me sight them plan, it full of deceit, but righteousness stand, them can't defeat. Them push corruption in the schools, teach the youth them fi follow fools. But me say knowledge are the real tools, fi break them chains, fi burn them rules. Me march pon the battlefield strong, me chant me psalms from night till dawn. Babylon weak, them can't hold on. The system crash, them foundation gone. Babylon collapse, watch it fall. The trumpet sound, Jah call we all. No more chains, no more wall. The righteous righteous rise, we stand up tall. Babylon fall, can't rise again. Jah people strong, we feel no pain. The fire blaze, it burn insane. Freedom call, we break them chain. Them try to bribe, they naughty dread, but me can't be bought. Me spirit well fed, me read the scriptures, me mind well bred. Me burn down wicked, me move ahead. Me see them shake when the thunder roll. The wicked flee when Jah take control. Them can't fight the warrior soul. Rasta live, we reach the goal. Them say me crazy, but me not blind. Me see the prophecy manifest in time. The wicked tremble, them can't rewind. The system done, it can't redesign. The ghetto youth rise, we hold the line. The fire burn deep, it a real sign. No more leaders full of crime. Jah rule this land, the sun fi shine. From Africa to the Caribbean shore, me chant Jah name, me spirit roar. No more sufferation, no more war. The righteous rule, me heart secure. Me hear the people, me hear the cries. The revolution open eyes. Me step out strong in a morning light. Jah guide me way, me spirit bright. The wicked them plot, but them can't fight. Righteousness rise, them lose the sight. Me hear the cries from the suffering souls. Me see the pain where the river flows. The system cold, but me heart still grows. Me chant me prayer, me warrior pose. Them build them law, fi keep we low. Them take the food, but the seed still grow. The youth them wise, the truth them know. Babylon shake, them can't move slow. Them promise wealth, but the cost too high. Sell out Jah name just fi live one lie. But me nah bow, me can't comply. Me march with Jah, me spirit fly. The struggle real, the fight not done, but me know the victory soon must come. From sunrise bright to setting sun, Jah warrior strong, we fear no gun. Me sight the truth, me hold it tight. The darkness fall when Jah bring light. The wicked flee, them lose them might. The righteous stand, we chant all night. Righteous path, me trod so clean. Me walk with Jah, me soul redeem. No more pain, no more scheme. The fire blaze, me live me dream. Step by step, we move ahead. The righteous trod, we never dead. Babylon shake, the system dread. Jah Kingdom rise, the table spread. Me see them fall when the truth reveal. The lion roar, the world can't heal. The prophecy real, the trumpet peal. Jah words are fire, them can't conceal. Me burn corruption, me burn disgrace. Me burn oppression, me chant with grace. The leaders fake, but Jah replace. The righteous rule, no time fi waste. Them try fi stop me, them try fi block, but Jah open door, can't turn it lock. The warriors chant, the rhythm rock. The truth stand firm like solid rock. From Kingston streets to Addis Ababa, the people chant, the warriors gather. Me call for justice, me call for honor. The system weak, it soon must shatter. So me tell the youth, keep strong, hold tight. The road get rough, but Jah bring light. The wicked fall when the truth ignite. The righteous win, the future bright. The ghetto rise, the tables turn. The fire burn, them can't adjourn. Me chant for peace, me chant for learn. The lion wake, the world concern. So me step in a Zion with a heart so pure. The battle fierce, but just secure. The righteous rule, we can't ignore. The victory sure, the lion roar. Jah light shine. The wicked them tremble when we chant the line. The ghetto youths rise, we no follow them sign. Jah wisdom pure, it divine. Them plot them schemes, but Jah break the chain. The system corrupt, it full of pain. We chant for the people, the blessings remain. From the rivers deep to the mountain plain. The wickedness strong, but we stronger still. Jah carry we through the valley and hill. Them can't silence Jah righteous will. We chant down Babylon till the whole earth fills. Chant down wickedness, rise the vibes. Jah love eternal, it always survives. From the morning sun to the evening skies. Rasta vibrations make the spirit rise. Them build them empires on the back of the poor. But Jah love pure, it can't ignore. We burn out greed, them can't take no more. Rasta vibrations, it restore. We chant with the fire, we're deep in we soul. The wicked can't take we from Jah control. The mission of truth make the world whole. We rise up the banner, Jah love patrol. From the inner city youths we struggle and fight. To the hills of Zion, Jah light ignite. We chant the psalms in a day or night. The fire of truth can't hide from sight. Chant down wickedness, rise the vibes. Jah love eternal, it always survives. From the morning sun to the evening skies. Rasta vibrations make the spirit rise. We say chant for Jah love, we can't go wrong. The fire burn bright, it blaze so strong. The righteous stand firm, the weak belong. Chant down wickedness, we carry Jah song.